India Kitchen Congress Award.
Prakash Lohia, Managing Director, Merino Industries.
Thank you very much. I feel highly honored.
And also thank Skill India.
Thanks IKC for organizing culture.
I would also like to thank our industry partners.
Today, I'm brimming with.
Thank you, Samir Bhai, for your vision.
Name of the winner for
Humility, I accept this on behalf of my
Kitchen Design Collaboration.
to announce the
Great indeed. Thank you, Architect Pony.
I'd like to dedicate.
Now we'll begin with the awards function, and we would like to start with the Lifetime Achievement Award 2020. I would like to request Mr. A.K. Goyal, MD, Heritage India, to please announce the name of the winner of this prestigious award.
It's Mr. Prakash Lohia, Managing Director, Merino Industries. First and foremost, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You are a person. Let me be honest with you. I would like to take this opportunity to say a few words about you without your permission. One, that Mr. Lohia is an excellent human being. Meeting him is a pleasure. I must have met him at least 5 or 6 times in his office, and each time I learned a new thing. I do not know how many of you are aware. He is basically an engineer from IIT and also MBA from Ahmedabad. Most important thing is that and now I can see you. Sarji. And the way he conducts his business, that is worth emulating. You see, you can be sure of his ethics at any point in time. I have rarely seen a person with such a good or powerful conviction system. I have got all salutes to you, sir. And honestly, let me be honest with you, what you have done for the furniture industry, that's unparalleled. And you have brought in new dimensions to what you say, economics, the ethics, and integrity. All three are, beyond. So
Thank you.
I have got
Thank you.
immense pleasure to giving you this award, sir.
Thank you very much. I feel highly honored, Goyal sir. You have, beside me, you have drawn such a long line of expectation from me that I have to strive for that. Thank you very, very much. And I had this, I had a unique opportunity. I was not a very active player in furniture, though Merino is active there, but I myself was not very active. So I could keep an objective distance. And then again, the greatest advantage was I had such good friendship with the first generation of people who came and brought this industry up, including Ramu. I remember him today. And of course, from the other side, you are there. From the very beginning, we had been very good friends. And I had always asked my people that there is a lot to learn from Mr. Goyal, the way he looks at the industry. And you have been always very, very optimistic about the whole development. And I fully agree with you. Today, what you are saying is the apparent threat is actually an opportunity. Right, it is an opportunity, and the right time this opportunity has come. For last 3 decades, I am watching how strongly this I will say this mechanically enabled, machine enabled manufacturing of furniture has come up with very able players all around, and it has come up in a holistic way. Machinery manufacturers, appliances, the basic manufacturing, the kitchen industry which has come up. My best wishes for this entire industry is there. I would like that we really become a name to reckon with in the world.
Lohia ji, I will give you more information about the basically. One, that Prime Minister has announced Atmanirbhar today.
Yeah.
I think he started investing in local manufacturing more than 7 years ago. Today we have invested over 700 crores in the manufacturing, and we are already exporting to Western world. Not, talking about the other markets. Number one, and number two, we are also investing an equal amount in next 3 years to make India a really and a player on the global scale.
Fantastic, fantastic. Really, I'm very, very happy, Goel sir. This is what I always try to see. Right? We have all the strength in us. If we have our Indian ethos, we can very well adopt the Western work culture and combining these two together. Right? This is an invincible strength we can acquire. Thank you very, very much for all this nice and encouraging information. And I will also thank Indian Kitchen Organization, right, for holding this in spite of such adverse situations, right, holding up this entire event and culminating into my getting an award. Thank you.